Do you have an email account or do you regularly check your email inbox? I'm talking about email services like Gmail, Yahoo, and others. If the answer is yes, you're in luck because what I'm about to show you can help you make anywhere from $1,500 to $3,000 just by opening and reading emails. There are no difficult steps, no requirements for technical knowledge or experience, and no hurdles to leap through. Simply click open and read the emails to start earning money. The more emails you read, the more you will be paid. If you stick with me to the very end, it'll also reveal a few effective additional techniques that will enable you to make 3 times as much money as the average person. This gives an unfair advantage over others who don't know this strategy, so pay attention and remain watching to avoid missing anything important. Let's start the video. These are the 3 easy steps you need to follow to get paid for reading emails online, so let me explain how it works now before we tell you the website's name. First, you must register for a free account, which I will walk you through in detail. Next, you must read emails, which I will show you through a real-life example. Finally, in step 3, you can receive payments via PayPal every day. Here are some features of this website that are important to note. First, you will receive daily paid emails delivered to your inbox. Second, they process payments quickly within 24 hours. And third, they have a low 15 layout limit, which means that once you reach the minimum required amount of $15, you can begin withdrawing your earnings. This is 100% free to join, and you don't have to pay any money or fees. Once you activate your account, you can get a $3 sign-up bonus for free. Make sure you don't skip the step to activate your account, because I'll show you how to do that correctly. Furthermore, you can earn additional money by participating in the daily paid surveys. Depending on where you live, you can make anywhere from $1 to $2 or even more for each survey that you complete. In addition, you can earn extra funds on this website by referring your friends. There are 2 levels of commission available. The second thing I want to check is that you have an email account. I advise you to open a Yahoo email account. If you go to Google and type in Yahoo, you can access Yahoo Mail as the first result. As you can see, if you have a Yahoo Mail account, you can start receiving different paid emails and earning money online. You may get this from your App Store if you have an iPhone or your Google Play Store if you have an Android phone. Simply enter your first name, last name, and email address to finish the registration and acquire a free Yahoo email account. Otherwise, my second suggestion is to use a Gmail account. To do this, simply search for Gmail on Google and click the first link that appears. From there, you can go to this page and click the button to create a free account. Simply enter your first and last names, username, and a password to do this, and Gmail will be made available to you in your Google Play Store and also your App Store. If both of these are already in your possession, you can start earning money with PayPal by simply following the instructions in this video right away. If not, it's okay. You can create a free Gmail or Yahoo account in under 2 minutes. Moving on to step number 2, I want you to visit Paid to Read emails. First, I want to show you how to sign up for free account and how to get a $3 sign-up bonus for free. To do this, just select a gender, either male or female, and then enter your first name, email address, and password before clicking Sign Up button. Once you click the Sign Up button, as you can see here, you can sign up and receive $3 bonus. After that, you can continue by entering your zip code here, reading the terms and conditions, agreeing to them, and confirming that you are not a robot. It's that easy. When you finish the previous step, you can head over to this page, where you can see Thank You account activated and Thank you. Your Paid to Read email account is now active and a $3 sign-up bonus has been credited to your account. As you can see in the right section, Thighs is a new account, and you can see your money is $3. Now, if you scroll down below this, you can see 3 methods to be rewarded for your online activity. Stake cash surveys. For example, you can see here that you can earn between 50 cents and $1 for every survey. I'll show you a great approach where you can increase your earnings. So be sure to watch this section. All you have to do is click on this button to get to this page, where you can see that cash surveys allows you to earn 40 cents to 75 cents for each completed survey. As you can see, there are 3 main categories. The first is your surveys, where you can take as many surveys as you want. However, The more surveys you take, the more money you'll make. The second category, opinion service, is also unlimited, while the third category, data surveys, has a daily limit of 10 surveys. So, for instance, if I click on this survey button, I'll be taken to this page where I can begin taking surveys in as little as 1 or 2 minutes. This is pretty quick, and it allows me to earn 50 cents just by doing that. I won't spend your time with unnecessary explanations in this video. After completing the surveys, you may then credit the money to your account. The first bonus tip I'll share with you today will help you increase your earnings on this website. First, make sure you complete all 10 of Thet and Nada Surveys categories limited surveys every day when you log into your account. After finishing this category, you can earn $5 because you completed 10 surveys. Then, you can access an unlimited higher paying service that will pay you $1, $2, or even $5 for each survey. The benefit of this is that you have limitless options for all of those categories, and you can easily do them using a phone and earn $2, $3, $4, or $5 for each survey you complete. Once you've completed all of the cash surveys, you can move on to the cash offers. As you can see here, to access the cash offers, all you have to do is click this button, which will take you to this page. From there, complete the surveys on this page to earn $1 from your surveys, $1 from opinion surveys, and 50 cents from data surveys. Now we'll move on to the most thrilling part of this video, the last source of income you can create by doing nothing more than reading emails and clicking on the links within them. Before we go any deeper, I'll give you some time to subscribe to the channel and give it big thumbs up if you've loved the video thus far. And if you found this video interesting and informative, please leave a comment below. Returning to the video, as you can see here, all you have to do is click open to read the emails, and from there you can either click in the images or the button to be taken to a random website, as you can see here. So, you're going to follow these instructions. Sometimes they'll give you instructions, but most of the time you just have to wait for at least 30 seconds while staying on the page. During that time, you're going to browse the website to make sure you're a real person and not a robot. All you have to do is scroll through the website, look around, and move your mouse. You can do this on a computer or a phone. After 30 seconds, you can receive your money and have it credited to your account. So when I return to my dashboard, I can see that the $3 is for the sign-up bonus, and by fulfilling only one email offer, I can earn 90 cents. Therefore, the current combined amount is 3.90. Is going to click on another email that was provided to me by this website right now, and it will send me a random email. I don't have to worry about the content of the email. I just have to open it and read it. Likewise, I can click on the button or image to go to a random website. I don't have to do anything, just hang out for 30 seconds. And after that, you can start earning money and have it credited to your account. One more thing. When you click more, you'll choose Refer Friends. And once you do, you'll be able to view this page where you can earn extra money for referring your friends. This page allows you to receive and credit 15% of all of your friends' earnings, which is free passive income. This will allow you to make money without having to put in any effort of your own. Share this opportunity with your friends and acquaintances so that you can collect 15% of their earnings without having to do any work of your own.